everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming your outdoor spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's been transforming backyards and patios everywhere: raised bed garden planters. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these versatile structures can completely change the way you grow. We're going to explore what they are, why they're so great, and how you can decorate them to look absolutely stunning. We'll also showcase 10 of the best raised bed garden planter ideas to inspire your next project. Let's dig in. So, what exactly is a raised bed garden planter? Simply put, it's a garden bed that sits above the surrounding soil level. It's typically enclosed by a frame made of wood, stone, metal, or other materials. Instead of planting directly into your existing soil, you fill the raised bed with a high-quality soil mix. This gives you complete control over the growing medium, providing your plants with the best possible environment to thrive. It's a game-changer for gardeners dealing with poor soil, limited space, or just looking for a more organized and accessible way to garden. Now, let's talk about the incredible benefits of having a raised bed garden planter. First and foremost, you get superior soil control. You can create the ideal soil blend tailored to the specific plants you want to grow, ensuring they get the perfect nutrients, drainage, and aeration from day one. This often leads to healthier, more productive plants. Another huge benefit is improved drainage. The elevated structure prevents soil from becoming waterlogged, which is a common problem in traditional ground gardens, especially after heavy rain. This helps prevent root rot and other moisture-related diseases. Raised beds also warm up faster in the spring, allowing you to start planting earlier in the season. On a practical note, they offer better accessibility. You don't have to bend down as far to tend to your plants, which is a huge relief for anyone with back pain or mobility issues. Finally, raised beds are fantastic for weed control. With a fresh, weed-free soil mix, you'll spend far less time pulling weeds and more time enjoying your beautiful garden. Now for the fun part. How do you decorate your raised bed garden planter to make it look beautiful? The beauty of raised beds is their incredible versatility. You can start by choosing materials that complement your home's aesthetic, whether it's rustic wood, sleek metal, or modern composite. Consider adding decorative elements like trellises or arches for climbing plants. These not only provide support, but also add a stunning vertical dimension to your garden, as you'll see in some of our upcoming examples. You can also incorporate lighting, like solar-powered spotlights or string lights, to highlight your garden at night. Don't forget about surrounding elements. Pathways made of gravel, stepping stones, or mulch can define the space and make it feel intentional and well-designed. And of course, the plants themselves are the ultimate decoration. Mix and match different textures, colors, and heights of flowers and vegetables to create a visually captivating display that reflects your personal style. So, what are the best materials for a raised bed garden planter? You have a lot of great options, each with its own pros and cons. First, cedar and redwood. These are the most popular choices. They are naturally rot-resistant, durable, and don't require chemical treatments. They have a beautiful rustic look that ages gracefully. Second, pressure-treated wood. A more budget-friendly option, but make sure to choose modern, ACQ-treated wood, which is considered safer for gardening than older types. It's very durable and long-lasting. Third, metal or galvanized steel. A contemporary and sleek choice that's incredibly durable and resistant to pests and rot. Metal raised beds are often easy to assemble and can withstand extreme weather. Fourth, stone or concrete blocks. These are a very permanent and sturdy option. They offer a classic, timeless look and are great for creating a robust, long-lasting structure. They can be more labor-intensive to build. Fifth, recycled plastic or composite materials. These are very low maintenance, won't rot or splinter, and often come in kits that are easy to put together. They are an excellent, eco-friendly option for a long-term solution. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here, these the collection of the top 10 raised bed garden planter ideas to spark your creativity and get your creative juices flowing. 1 Garden Star Bed with Raised Planters. This design is a masterclass in creative garden layout. The centerpiece is a unique star-shaped raised bed, perfect for a central focal point. Surrounding it are smaller, angular raised beds, creating an intricate and visually interesting pattern. The dark stained wood provides a rich contrast to the green foliage, and the wood-chip pathways tie the entire design together. This is a brilliant example of how non-traditional shapes can transform a simple garden into a work of art. The varying heights and clever arrangement allow for different planting zones and easy access to all areas. 2 Creative Planter with Built-in Pot Holders. This raised bed planter shows a creative and practical approach to container gardening. The main wooden planter box provides a home for a row of potted plants, while the lower plank holds another set of planters. The use of unique, textured pots adds a visually interesting element. The elevated design and arrangement of containers make this a highly efficient and beautiful way to grow a variety of plants in a limited space, like a deck or balcony. 3 Tiered A-frame planter. For those looking to maximize their planting space in a unique way, this tiered A-frame planter is a fantastic solution. Its pyramid-like structure allows for multiple planting levels, perfect for a mix of flowers, herbs, and small vegetables. The natural wood finish adds a rustic charm, making it a beautiful standalone piece for a front yard or patio. This design is also great for creating a vertical flower display that is both a garden and a piece of outdoor art. 4 Veg Trug Style Raised Planter. The veg trug is a famous style of raised bed for a reason. Its unique V-shaped design allows for deep-rooted plants in the center and shallower plants along the edges, making it incredibly versatile. The elevated height is fantastic for accessibility, and the design is stylish and modern. This particular one, with its natural wood finish and clear veg trug branding, shows a well-loved and productive garden full of various herbs and lettuces. It's a perfect option for those who want a simple, effective, and attractive planter. 5 Modern Elevated Wood and Metal Planter. This is a perfect example of a modern, elevated planter that combines functionality with style. The natural wood planks create a warm, inviting aesthetic, while the clean black metal frame adds a sleek, contemporary touch. This design is ideal for patios, decks, or any small space where you want to add a pop of greenery without taking up a lot of floor space. The elevated height makes gardening incredibly comfortable, and the combination of materials fits beautifully with both modern and rustic decor. 6 Arched Trellis Garden Beds. These beautifully crafted raised beds feature elegant arched metal trellises, creating a stunning visual impact. The trellises provide the perfect support for climbing vines like clematis or flowering beans, adding height and dimension to the garden. The light-colored wood of the planters complements the dark metal arches, and the entire setup is placed on a bed of gravel and pavers, making it a stylish and low-maintenance space. This is a fantastic option for creating a serene and sophisticated outdoor retreat. 7 DIY Concrete Block and Wood Beds. This photo shows a large-scale raised garden bed project built with a combination of light-colored wood and concrete blocks. The blocks provide a sturdy, long-lasting foundation and an interesting textural contrast. They also double as pedestals for smaller potted plants, adding another layer of visual interest. The drip irrigation system visible in the beds highlights a focus on efficient, easy-care gardening. This is a great idea for building a large, durable garden that can stand the test of time. 8 Tall and Vertical Wood Planters. These tall, vertical raised beds are an excellent choice for creating a striking, organized garden. The height makes them perfect for growing larger plants like tomatoes and peppers, and the substantial size gives them a powerful presence. The simple, light-colored wooden construction allows the lush greenery to be the star of the show. Arranging them in a row creates a sense of order and is perfect for defining a garden space or creating a natural boundary. 9 Elevated Planter with Built-in Trellis. This duo of raised beds combines a beautiful planter with an integrated trellis, providing the ultimate solution for growing climbing plants. The dark wood finish is elegant and classic, and the design is perfect for flanking an entryway or creating a symmetrical look on a patio. The trellis provides ample support for vines, while the planter box below is perfect for a mix of flowers and other plants. The hanging pots add another layer of planting space, making this a highly functional and beautiful piece of garden furniture. 10. Rolling raised planter with modern legs. This raised bed is the epitome of convenience and style. The wooden planter box sits on sleek metal legs with caster wheels, making it easy to move around your deck or patio to catch the best sun or to simply rearrange your space. The design is modern and minimalist, and the height is perfect for comfortable gardening. This is an ideal solution for urban dwellers or anyone with a small deck or rooftop garden who values flexibility. I hope these 10 ideas have given you some fantastic inspiration for your own garden. As you can see, a raised bed garden planter is more than just a place to grow things. It's a statement piece that can define and beautify your outdoor space. They offer a simple, organized, and often more productive way to garden, no matter your experience level or the size of your yard. So, are you ready to start your own raised bed journey? Let us know in the comments which idea was your favorite. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more tips and inspiration. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Happy gardening, everyone!